Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Etsy. So first, you may want to head over to printify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on your store, then click on add a new store. From the list of sales channels, just choose Etsy. A new window will then pop up, prompting you to log in to your Etsy account. Just enter in your login credentials and sign into your account. Just grant access permissions to sign into your Etsy account. And from here, just click on grant access. From here, we're just going to go to Etsy and start setting up our account here. Just click on get started. Just follow all the on-screen prompts and answer questions. So we're just going to go through the questions and click on start your shop. Just customize your shop preferences, then click on save and continue. Also enter in our shop name, then save and continue. So setting up how we'll get paid, where is your bank located, and what type of seller are you. So just enter in more details about you, then proceed by clicking on save and continue. So at the top, you can see a progress bar. So here are the details that you're going to need to fill up. And the last is your shop security. Make sure that you finish all the steps in setting up your account on Etsy's page. And once everything is done, just proceed by clicking on try again on this screen for you to be able to start creating and publish products on Printify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!